To change the ringtone of your Redmi Note 15 Pro, simply go to settings and then go to sound and vibration, tap on that, and then you should see ringtone, tap on that, and then that takes you to the theme store in the ringtone category or ringtone section where you can find ringtones. Okay, now you can choose local ringtone and use one of your audio files that you've downloaded or maybe someone sent to you and use that as a ringtone. So for instance, you can see some from the voice recorder app, some this is actually a song I downloaded. If you want to use your own custom song, you can do that. But then these are all ringtones you could use in different categories, different genres. Just choose what you want. So for instance, I can choose instrumental. That's going to open up that category, and there are plenty of ringtones here. Okay, so I can listen to any. And if you find one that you like, tap on the bell icon and then choose whether you want it as your SIM1 incoming call notification or SIM2 or notification or alarm or boot audio or notes, depending on what you want. So I'm going to choose SIM1 and it's going to get downloaded and set as the ringtone. Now you can actually set different ringtones for different SIM cards. So if you have a dual SIM setup, you can go to you can choose a different SIM ringtone for SIM1 and for SIM2. But that's basically how to change your ringtone. Thanks for watching and good luck.